How to make sponsored on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make sponsored on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically make sponsored ads on Instagram, it's very simple. All you have to do is launch the Instagram application, then tap the profile icon. First thing you need to make sure is that you have a professional account. So this doesn't work if you have a personal or private account. You need to have a professional account, which means either a creator or a business account. Now after you do that, if there's any of the posts that you would like to make and sponsor, you can select that post and you'll find the boost post button there. So tap the boost post option there, and then all you have to do is just simply select your ad account and whatever else it is, select your target audience, select a budget, enter your payment details, and then also make sure to select your goal, and after that you'll have successfully made a sponsored ad on Instagram. That's all it takes to go ahead and then make a sponsored ad on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.